Okay, from this position, black has a move which can create a substantial advantage, and the move is simply bishop captures knight, which should have been a free move. When the opponent takes back, it is a mistake. Now, pins queen to the king. From this position, if the queen were to move, the king would be in check, and that's why it is called a pin. When you pin one piece, it cannot move because a secondary piece would then be in danger. The only true pin is to pin a piece to the king, otherwise it can move, but you can pin pieces to a queen or even a rook or a knight. And when the opponent only logical move is to king blocks, king captures rather, and this is the way that pins work.